How to fix Instagram failed to send on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First open Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated. Just type here Instagram and see if there's any update here, and if you found any update, just click on it and then your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, let's move to the next step. Now close your Instagram, then turn off your Wi-Fi and restart your phone and turn it on again and open Instagram, and your problem must be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, this one for Android phones, go to apps again, Instagram, then force stop and clear cache. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.